It's a dining table with minimalist style. Elegant lines. Exquisite design. The tabletop features a combination of sintered stone and tempered glass material. Both high temperature and pressure resistant. Slate texture smooth and natural. Easy to clean. The rounded table corners. Has a smooth touch. With 90 degrees straight table legs. Scientific structure design makes it highly stable. The edge features delicate beveled cutting design. All shows the unique beauty and craftsmanship. Aluminum alloy frame. Rust-proof and wear-resistant. Making it suitable for indoor-outdoor use. No afraid of outdoor sun and rain. Let you enjoy the dining meal and leisure time. Wisfor, the best aesthetic consultant for your home.